All right, we're starting off with 2 pounds of lemons in our crock pot. Next, I'm gonna come in with my 4 large chicken breasts, and we're gonna put that right on top of our lemon for this super easy and delicious crock pot dinner. You guys know I love anything lemon flavor, and that includes savory dishes. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna come in with my zesty Italian salad dressing mixing. And we're gonna place this entire packet right on top of our chicken. The Italian dressing flavor is gonna complement the lemon beautifully. Now I have here some minced garlic. I'm just using garlic, but you can use fresh. And we're gonna add a little bit of garlic here and there, probably like about half a tablespoon per chicken breast. Oh, the garlic smells amazing. Now to add some extra aromas, we're getting our thyme, and this is just some fresh thyme that we're gonna place right along our chicken. And as this cooks, the aroma will just seep into that chicken and to the lemon, and it's gonna taste amazing. We don't need too much. I'm just gonna add a few more stalks. Ooh, that thyme smells really potent, which is how you know it's gonna add some amazing flavors. Now I'm gonna add some freshly ground pepper because there is no pepper in that Italian seasoning, and I feel like it really needs a little bit of pepper. It will help the acidity of the lemons be cut a little bit and just add some great flavor. Beautiful. Now I am gonna add a little bit of salt, but this is optional. I just think salt enhances all flavors, especially in a savory dish. So we're just gonna do a nice quick little salt on there. Last thing we're gonna add is some butter. And I just cut these into little pads so that we can distribute them all over our chicken. And this is gonna help our chicken stay juicy and tender. And also it's gonna add some delicious butter flavor because garlic and butter are non-negotiables for my chicken dinners.
So, is the butter really called pads?
I cut them into pads. So this is what a pad is. And I am adding 3 pads per chicken breast, so we are left with about 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, but that is it, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and put our lid on and pop this on high. All right, it's been 3 hours on high. Let's go ahead and turn this off. But before we open this up, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my cooked white rice, and I have my plate bowl, and we are gonna add some of our rice onto our plate before we plate up our chicken. This is gonna taste so good with that lemony juice that we have brewing in there. That looks like the perfect amount. So let's go ahead and check out our perfectly cooked lemon chicken. Oh my goodness.
Smells delicious.
It looks incredible. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one, that seasoning. We got some of those lemons on there. Oh my, this is gonna be so good. All right, I'm just gonna cut right in the middle so we can see how perfectly cooked our lemon chicken is. Oh my gosh, it's like falling apart. It's gonna be so moist, so tender, so tasty. Let's give it a try.
What do you think?
That is incredible. Oh my goodness. Wow. You guys are really gonna like this one.